Hi, everybody. Good morning. Sorry I'm a moment late. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's start our morning meditation. Yes, you can see from the background, I'm back in Atlantic City, my little happy place. I haven't been here in more than a week, so I needed to get down here. Did not have a chance to see if we said we were going to do a specific theme this week, so please accept my apologies. It's been a really, really wildly crazy few days, actually few weeks, and I really love that it has been, so I'm not complaining. I'm just apologizing that if we had a theme set for this week, I did not look. So let's work on just finding some peace that surpasses understanding today. As always, we jump in with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. If you know them, say them with me. If not, please repeat them. Imperative that we have protection even in meditation. Well, then I'll guide us to a very quiet little place where we'll just sit peacefully for a few moments, get ourselves recentered there, and then we'll come out. I don't have my little chimes with me, so you're going to hear me speak, kind of jolting you out versus that nice little chime. And we'll close with the 23rd Psalm. As always, when we go into that place of peace, our minds will often still drift. Remember, the goal here is not to judge yourself. It's just to go back to that seat where you are witnessing what is occurring in your mind, not participating with it. All right, let's get started. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and start to relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours now and forever. Amen. Take another deep breath and just allow yourself to relax. Invite yourself to let go. Remember, the body goes wherever the mind tells it. So scan your body quickly. Notice if there's any tightness. And just ask your body to let go of that block, let go of that tightness. Let's bring our attention to the top of our head and our third eye, right above our eyebrows, right in the middle of our eyebrows and above on the forehead. Notice in that spot there is movement. And on the top of our head, this is where the energy flows in from the divine. This is our continuous connection to him or her, and this is where we can communicate back and forth. So we are going to follow that stream through our body. It is always there. We are just going to bring our attention to it. So as it enters into our head, filling our head, notice how by paying attention to this divine energy, everything just gets quiet and still and very relaxed. Into our neck, releasing any blocks, quieting and becoming more still. Into the trunk of our body, flowing through our arms and out our hands. And all of this is quieting and becoming very still. Into our seat, legs, feet, and toes. We notice this energy flows. And it is quieting us and healing us and carrying with it that peace that surpasses understanding. Allow your consciousness now to step into that stream of energy flowing through you, like you're stepping into a waterfall. And let us rest here and find perfect peace. And just notice what goes by. If it grabs your attention, that is all right. Just go back to noticing. Before we remove ourselves and come more fully into our body, let us remember this is not just the divine's communication to us, it is our ability to communicate back. So let's just be grateful for a second and send up our appreciation for being able to sit silently and be in such a perfect peace. And no matter how short the time, it somehow gives us the energy for the day. So with a strong gratefulness, send it up back into heaven. Believe me, the heavens rejoice when we say thank you. And as we bring our attention fully back into our bodies, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Have an awesome, blessed day. I will see you again here in Atlantic City tomorrow and then back into Philadelphia, where I have a beautiful place to be. You guys have an awesome day. Bye.